Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today I'd love to see you at my free masterclass. It is going to start shortly. It's from 10:30 Eastern time to 11:30. I'd love to see you there. I'm going to go into what you need to do, all the basic requirements, how to market to the government buyer, and actually how to find bids that you can bid on and win those Gov cleaning contracts. So if you'd like to know more, then all you need to do is click the link to register, bring the 3 G's, get pen, get paper, and get your favorite beverage. That way you're ready. Bring a great attitude and some energy, because I am an energy person. So I answer all your questions. I'll have you in and out in about 45 minutes to an hour. Love to see you there. All you need to do is one thing. Click to register. Space is limited, so I'll look forward to seeing you. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.